Hi kids! Today in CLS we are going to use our Learning Journeys book volume 2. We are going to look for page 101. Okay, we are going to work. You have listen and draw, okay? We have 1, 2, 3 rows. In each row we have, in the first one we have a chalk and a book. Door and chair, pencil, pen. We are going to identify ending sounds. Okay, in the first row we have a chalk and a book. You have to draw a happy face if the pair of words ends with the same sound. For example, chalk and book. You have to draw the happy face in this square, okay? Door, chair. Door ends with letter R, chair. Okay, and you can draw the happy face here. We have pencil, pen. It doesn't have the same ending. Remember to check your activity in Class Dojo, guys. Bye-bye.